is to get onto the cone. Doesn't matter how you're on there, if you're touching it, well, how you're touching it, you can be lying down with your legs up in the air, on it, shooting like that, whatever you want. If you are touching the cone, you are scoring points for your team, or time for your team. Whichever team has the most time touching the cone wins the game. You're going to do 2 rounds of this, okay? Even if you get up to it like that, you'll get a second on it, or even attempting it, you'll get a second. Every second counts, okay? This game only works when both teams are pushing for the cone. Right, so you can use as much as I feel as you want, even the track up to the line of the boundary. Obviously this boundary line is here. Please stay on your side of the boundary line. If the only time you can actually cross the boundary line is if you're coming up to shoot somebody off the cone. Do we understand that? Yeah. Only one person on the cone at the time. If there's 2 people on the cone, the time will not be counted. Okay. This game mode is single shot only. Alright? Single shot only. Obviously LMGs sort of burst it single burst it as much as you can. Alright.
Get on the cone, get on the cone!
Pretty equal at the minute, to be fair.
Just coming in, just there. Hi mate. Right guys, I'm pinned, I've got no gun. We need some cover.
Blues are on the cone! Yeah! Blues are off the cone! Blues are on the cone! Oh, we got shields! We got shields! Both red and blues are on the cone! I cannot... Shield! Reds are on! Well done, little man!
Go on guys, keep him on there! Push forward!
Reds are on the cone! Reds are on the cone! Let's go! Reds are off the cone!
Oh. Got him.